I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today's Shortcut Quilt starts with a 9 patch, and you'll have to see where it ends. Download the free Fat Quarter Clips pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. A link to the pattern is in the description box. There is a free pattern layout for lap, crib, and queen. Today we're going to be making the lap version, which uses 12 fat quarters, 1 1/8 yards for your sashing and border, 5/8 yard binding, and 3 1/8 yards backing. We are featuring the Darling Peony collection by Robin Pickens for Moda Fabrics, and our background today is 9900-200. One thing I wanted to tell you is this is a great quilt for using up your fat quarter clubs because those all have 12 fat quarters. After you have your pattern and fabric, let's get sewing. Fat quarter clips is so easy because what you do is you make a 9 patch, 3 by 3, and you're going to make a total of 5 of those for this quilt. So do that first, and then we're going to take each of these units and cut them in half vertically and horizontally. But what you can do is you can either measure over 9 1/4 inches and cut, or what I like to do is just fold it in half, and I'm just going to put creases just at the edges on both sides. And then actually when you do creases, just make sure you have a lot of light in your room so you can see the creases, and then just come in and trim. So actually it should just be approximately 3 inches away. So as long as it's in that range, cut, keep it in place, and then do the same thing this way. And when I say 3 inches away, I mean 3 inches from your first seam. From each of your 5 units, you're going to make 4 each, and so you will end up with a total of 20 different blocks. And really, at this point, you're ready to assemble your quilt. Follow the pattern to lay out your blocks. When you're laying them out, you're going to be rotating the fabric placement, so just follow your pattern. Once you've added your borders, your quilt is going to measure 45 by 56. We used a red for our binding and a lovely low volume pink for our backing. The Fat Quarter Clips block is great for using up your stash of fabrics or your Fat Quarter clubs that you get each month from Fat Quarter Shop. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's use up some scraps.